In this video, we will go over the answer and explanation of the coding exercise that we just completed. The question asks us to create an array of strings storing the values A, B, and C, and then output its size to the console. Let's create an array of strings named strings, which we assign a size of 3. We will initialize this array with the string values A, B, and C. Then we will output the result of size of strings divided by size of strings at index 0. When we run the code to check our solution, notice that it is correct.